Penny Bike Co., where the rubber meets the road. Located in Sasquatch Country, in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. We service all brushless hub motors geared in direct drive. Complete teardown and rebuilds. Troubleshooting. Electrical diagnoses. Services and repairs. Parts replacements. We have the knowledge and experience you can trust to keep your motor up and running efficiently and reliably, so you don't end up like this. Let Penny Bike Co. take care of all your electric bike and scooter needs. Visit us at www.pennybikeco.com.